Artificial intelligence has become so common in the last 1 year. Everything is touched by AI one way or another. And the purpose of AI is to make our life better, to give us better insights and more actionable insights and automate some of the functions that we used to do manually. We brought the whole artificial intelligence the first time in the vehicle tracking industry in Amber Connect.
Well, from road rage to accidents, a lot happens on the streets, which is why we're being encouraged to invest in dash cams. They can provide valuable evidence for settling insurance claims or legal disputes. And we've got a couple of folks from Amber Connect to tell us why this handy device isn't just for cops. Head of Marketing, Natalia Francis, and Head of Support, Desmond Williams. They join us. Morning, Natalia. Morning, Desmond. How are you doing?
Morning.
Well, like for me, I don't take no convincing. But for the other people out there who might need a little bit of cajoling, help us to understand. Now, first of all, one of the things that I notice a lot is that you see people disputing liability, you see people questioning whether they were wrong because what they remember is not necessarily how it went.
Right.
Natalia, first of all, tell us why dash cams are so increasingly popular.
Yeah, dashcams are very important because they are basically like a tool that while you're driving, they're making evidence of what's happening on the road.
Yes.
And as you said already, dashcam can provide the valuable evidence when it's needed. It can increase the speed of insurance claims. Studies shows that actually people who have a dashcam in their car see 20% less of accidents, which is why dashcam
Why is
actually...
that so? Why might that be the case?
Because you are driving more carefully when you know it's recording.
Because you know there's a recording.
Right.
Yes. People do behave differently when they know there's a recording. So if you're recording yourself, you probably are going to...
Yes.
I never thought of that.
Yes.
That's another
actually,
reason?
Yeah, that's actually why insurance companies provide discounts to the people who have a dashcam in their car. So actually the dashcam can also save you some money on the insurance.
Nice, nice. All right, so one of my challenges is that, I mean, especially in my line of work, people submit dashcam footage, but sometimes the dashcam footage ain't great. There are dash cams and then there are dash cams. What's a good one?
Well, our AmberVision dash cam, or Wi-Fi dash cam.
This is this one.
Okay.
It's the most recent one, and it's for individual car drivers.
Okay.
So
tell
the
us about it.
resolution, right? You have 1080p and up to 2K. So videos are crisp and clear.
You know, this is important, you know, and I've heard, for instance, the police say, look, if there's anyone who was driving past this location at this particular time, if you have dash cam footage, please let us have the dash cam footage because it could help to solve this particular crime. When you're saying like 1080p and up to 2K, what you're suggesting to me is that footage taken from this camera could very well, in terms of zooming in,
very clear.
Very clear, even if you ultra zoom.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so
it has a wide angle, so you basically see everything.
So it doesn't have to be
Right.
turned into a particular direction. So okay, so tell me a little bit about, for instance, the actual service, though, because how much footage is going to be on the camera at any particular time? What about storage and that kind of a thing, Natalia?
So the dashcam has an SD card, and everything is recorded on that SD card, and you can easily access it in our app. So you at any time have all the footages. If the SD card space is full, dashcam starts re-recording the older footages.
So can you offload?
Yeah, you can load them at any time, and you also can lock the video if this video is very important, because, for example, the accident happened. You can easily lock the video just by pushing this orange button on the dashcam, and this video will be locked and it would never be erased.
Okay, all right. Tell us a little bit about now the broader Amber Connect system, because Amber Connect has been really an innovation, a revolution in the market. Tell us about Amber Connect and why people need to get switched on.
All right, so Amber Connect in general is a global leader of vehicle tracking and telematics. We are a Jamaican-born company, but we are serving globally in over 30 countries right now. And we have different range of clients from individual drivers to massive fleets with thousands of vehicles. And for all of them, we have tailored solutions. So in Jamaica now, we introduced the Brata package with the free dashcam in that package. Just because we know the dashcams are so important and we want to make our roads safer.
Yeah, so the Brata package, you get the AC411
It's a
And
tracking device.
tracking device,
Yes.
and you get
We install this deep in the car, so it's impossible almost to find. So whenever anything happens, your car is always tracked and you can always see it in your app.
Okay,
And our
so that's an
technicians-
anti-theft device. Well, it's not an anti-theft device, but certainly if it's stolen, you will know exactly where it is.
Yes, and you, for example, can stop the engine, immobilize engine at any time. So if something happens,
So to those people who you're in the car rental business, this might be for you, eh?
So with the Brata package, you get the device, the dash cam, and you get 1 year service for 34,300.
And I hear that there's a special CVM offer for members of the CVM family, persons watching on YouTube who are loyal to CVM. Tell us about that CVM
yeah,
package.
we actually wanted to thank everyone watching us today, and that's why we also add Amber Shield into this package for free to all the people watching us today. The code is CVM, so you can just provide it on our website or to any sales support person you're speaking with, and you will also get a free Amber Shield.
All right, so if you want the CVM package, be sure to definitely to let them know that you heard it here, you saw it here on CVM TV. Well, thank you very much. Definitely, this is something that we're looking out for. And if your significant others, if your friends or your families are into the tech, this is something that you need to gift them this Christmas.
Amber Connect, the global leader in AI-powered smart vehicle security. Our super innovative cutting-edge app offers over 40 robust features. Real-time tracking with driver behavior alerts and fuel management. Detailed trip logs with playback and analytics. AI-powered theft prevention technology with intelligent monitoring. A range of safety features. Real-time notifications. And 24-hour SOS panic button and stolen vehicle recovery assistance. Don't wait. Secure your vehicle today by visiting our website amberconnect.com and join thousands of satisfied customers worldwide.